Hi guys, welcome to this lesson. In this video, we'll solve this SAT style equation on systems of equation, right? So let's start this one. The equation reads, if xy is a solution to the system, xy plus 3y is equal to 6, and this one here 1 over 3 1 over x plus 3 all squared plus 1 over x plus 3 is equal minus 6 is equal to 0. What is the possible value of y? Okay, to solve this, let's call this equation 1. Let's call this one equation 1, and let's call this one equation 2. Okay, so we know that from equation 1, when we factorize, we have y x plus 3 is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 divided by x plus 3. Now this s plus 3, I think it will make sense if we express this to have something like this. So that will become 1 over x plus 3. Then let's keep this 6 outside, still multiply by 6. Okay, now we have 1 over x plus 3 here. We also have 1 over x plus 3. Let's say 1 over x plus 3 is equal to some form of letter like u. Okay, so say let's 1 over x plus 3 is equal to u. So in this case, y will become 6u. Okay, so y is equal to u multiplied by 6, because we are putting this here as u. So y is equal to 6u. Okay, then in equation 2, when we plug in u for 1 over x plus 3, we'll have u squared plus u minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll have u squared plus u minus 6 is equal to 0. Yeah, u squared plus u minus 6 is equal to 0. So when we factor this, factors of 6, we have, when looking at this, notice that this is negative 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to negative 6. Then negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So this factor fits this quadratics here. So we can now have u minus 2 and u plus 3 equal to 0. So either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Therefore, u is equal to 2 or u is equal to negative 3. So we'll now put or plug in u into this 6u, but we know that y is equal to 6u. Then for x is equal to, for u is equal to 2, y is equals to 6 times 2. That is, for u is equals to 2, y is equal to 6 times 2. This is equal to 12. Then for u is equal to negative 3, y is equals to 6 times negative 3. okay, and this will give negative 18. So since we are talking about the absolute value of y, then the value of y implies 12 or 18. So since we have 12 in one of the options, then we'll take C as the answer. Then similar thing here for question 2, right? Xy plus 4y is equal to 8. The same thing here. When we factorize, we say from equation 1, let's call this equation 1. Let's also call this equation 2. So from equation 1, let's factorize this. Bring out the common factor there, y. Then we have x plus 4 equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 over x plus 4. Then y is equal to 1 over x plus 4 multiplied by 6. Okay, this is still multiplied by 6. Multiplied by 6. So we can now say let 1 over x plus 4 is equal to, let me still use u here. Then y becomes, this is, sorry, this is supposed to be 8. I'm still having the first figure in my head. This is 8. So y is equals to 8u, right? Then in equation 2, we'll now have u squared plus u minus 12, yeah, is equal to 0. So let's factor this. This is negative 12. 3 times 4 we work here. Negative 3 times negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Then negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So these two factors will work. So we'll have u minus 3, then u plus 4 equal to 0. U minus 3, u plus 4 is equal to 0. Then either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Therefore, u is equal to 3 or u is equal to negative 4. So u is equal to 3 or u is equal to negative 4. But we know that y is equal to 8u. Then for u equals to 3, okay, y is equal to 8 multiplied by 3, so y is equal to 24. Then for u is equal to negative 4, y is equal to 8 multiplied by negative 4, and this will give negative 32. But since we are talking about the absolute value of y, then this implies that y is equal to 24 or 32. So we'll have 24 in one of the options here. So the final answer here is A. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video to this moment. Please do not forget to subscribe and share this video to somebody else. Thank you.